Well, it is your story.
Yay, come on, Binx, let's read together. My Cat Binx, his first day. Written by Wayne Harrison. Book and artwork inspired by me. Oliver, aged 7. Mummy said that she had a surprise in the living room. Surprise! So we went into the room and saw a box with holes in it. Getting closer, we started to hear a noise, and the box moved a little. Tap, tap, tap. My mummy looked at me and said, "Open the box, but be careful." Be careful? What was inside? What could it be? What is it? Could there be a piglet inside, small with a pink curly tail? Or could it be a puppy with floppy ears and brown fur? I crouched down and I slowly opened the box. There, looking up with big blue eyes and a long fluffy tail, was a very cute kitten. It had white fur and stripes on its legs and tail. The kitten was lifted out of the box by Dad, who said, "What a cute kitty cat." Mummy agreed and said, "What should we call him?" Dad quickly said, "How about Tiger?" Tiger? Big sharp teeth, long claws? No, that sounds too scary. Mummy said, "I know, Snowy. That's nice." Well, he was white, but the kitten was so warm. Then Mummy said, "I know, let's have a look at a book of cat names." That was a great idea, so we got a book called Top Cat Names. There were so many names to choose from. What would we pick? Benny, Fluffy, Whiskers, Monty, Felix? We went through the pages of names, but we finally found one. We looked at the kitten who was playing near the box. Binx! Yes, that's a great name for him. He also seemed to like it, as he came over some fuss. So, a name was chosen. Binx. Meow.
Thank you for watching the first episode of Binxie, the book-loving cat. Also, a big thank you to David for sending a photo of his cat enjoying Binxie's new book. For a chance to see your cat's photos or pictures on our next episode, send them to binxietheBookLovingCat@hotmail.com. Binx would love to see them. If you'd like your own copy of My Cat Binx, His First Day, you can now find it on Amazon or Green Cat Publishing. Thank you again for supporting Binxie, the book-loving cat. We'll see you next time.